Hey guys, Freddie with H-Town Model Shop. And as soon as my lighting decides to get focused in here, okay, here we go. Alright guys, Freddie with H-Town Model Shop. This is the final on the 1960 Chevy Impala Lowrider by Revell. First things first, this kit did not have the wheels when I got it. It was an open kit. So I went ahead and I used the Pegasus 1003, the 1003 Chrome Ds with white walls. And that's pretty much what I use on all my lowriders. And they're getting kind of scarce to find, but I'll find it. I'll find some more if I have to. But anyways, the nickname for this build is Voodoo Haze, and the reason behind that is because the candy color that I use is called Voodoo Purple, and that's by House of Color. And as you can see, just the pattern design just kind of followed the trunk contour and also the hood. That's why I just got my idea. No, nothing special. I didn't try to copy another car, anything like that. I just pulled it, out of thin air. So, but anyways, as you can see, I used a lot of foam and a lot of felt. The interior is lined with is nothing but foam and felt, minus the dash and the package tray in the back. So I went ahead and I did it up. I tried to do up a Tingo's interior. Shout out to Tingo's because the videos that I watched, must have been about a dozen or so, were very helpful. So so this is just your basic biscuit tuck, and went ahead and I did the pumps in the back as well, plumbed them as well. You barely tell right there, but the rear tail lights are out of the 59 kit, I believe, because this one came with some puny little lights and I didn't like them. So when I got these lights going, I went ahead and I smoked them with the Tamiya. Sorry, it's kind of late. The Tamiya clear smoke. And I don't know if you could tell there or not, but I'm sure you can. What else did I do? The spears down the side, decided to go with the Voodoo Haze down the center of the spear. And then just outline the raised detail. It just says Impala, and it has the SS flags on it. What else? The engine is just a stock engine. I did paint the block, the fan shroud, and the oil pan, the same color, Voodoo Haze. What else? I used the photo etch fan, and I used turned aluminum pulleys from either Detail Master, or Parts by Parks. I'm not sure. Maybe even Model Car Garage. Who knows? But one of those. Anyways, yeah, you can't really tell the photo etch fan, but it's in there. Took the regular fan out, put the turned aluminum pulleys in, put a belt on it, and did the fan up pretty good. So used Molotov chrome for all of the engine pieces, but then I dulled it down with clear so it wouldn't take away from the rest of the car. So it looks good. It looks really good. It's just a little toned down. That's it. But yeah, that's it, guys. The final on the 1960 Chevy Impala Lowrider by Revell. I hope y'all enjoyed the progress, and I really do apologize for not uploading more progress videos. Just been kind of hectic, and once I get building, I've learned to tune out everything and anything just to finish up, because last year I didn't finish up that many builds, and I was very disappointed in myself. But Here I am with my second build completed of the year, and I'm very happy. And I'm very happy, extremely happy that they're both Impalas. 160 and this is a 61. Oh, I'm sorry, 60. This is a 60, and the other one that I did, the 61, which has the rust body with the patterned out roof. So I hope y'all liked it. Y'all like it, guys. Enjoy the quick final spins that I'm gonna let it run for, and y'all have a great weekend, great week next week, great rest of the month, hell, great rest of the year. I'll be back. Look out for something special coming up pretty soon. A kit that you don't really see, or that I haven't seen. I picked it up at Acme's show last year, or the year before, sorry. Just a heads up, it's a curbside, but it's a Johan, and you know, I like it, and I have a great idea for it. So, but y'all enjoy. Oh, and one more thing, guys. I want to thank all my subscribers, everybody that comments and stuff. Even though I don't really comment on anybody's videos, you know, really anymore, I do comment on all my comments. I reply to all my comments on my video. And I don't want anybody to feel singled out. But the reason why I don't comment anymore is because I'm subbed to like 1,000 people. And, you know, for me to sit here and comment on every single video is just, you know, I wouldn't be able to do anything. So I just get in my shop, I put my phone on, and I put it on my playlist, and I just let all the videos run down. I watch half the time, I listen most of the time, you know, when I'm building. So, guys, you know, just, you know, if I have a break at work or something and I watch a video or two here and there, I'll tend to comment here and there. But you know, I am watching your videos. I always, you know, put thumbs up on everybody's videos, at the very least. So I am watching videos, guys. So all right, well, we're coming up on 8 minutes. I'm gonna let it spin for a couple more minutes or seconds, and then we'll shut it down. Y'all have a great weekend, great week, great month, great year. Keep on building, guys.